I think you probably saw that question on my YouTube channel. I think one such comment was, what are the types of public speaking out there? Now, for that particular question, I wouldn't say that this is an exhaustive list. Now, how I would approach it is that public speaking is like a huge umbrella. So you can think of it like this big umbrella. And under this huge umbrella, there are many different sub-modules. There are many different subtopics that can be seen as like types of public speaking. Now, we often classify them as speech genres, yeah? The first one is what we call persuasive speaking. And this is something that we have to use it, whether it's in school, at work. We use that quite often. Persuasive speaking, the main objective is, what can you do? What can you say potentially to convince someone to agree with you, to buy your product, to buy your service? So that is one type, one speech genre. The other one is informative speech. Now, informative speeches would be like speeches to inform. You give information. You inform people about an event, a person, a place, a concept, a process, like the process of photosynthesis. Then, the other one would be special occasion speeches. That's a type of public speaking as well, like an interview, being a master of ceremony, giving a eulogy, and awards acceptance speech. Then you have the entertaining speech genre, where the main objective behind it is to entertain the audience, right? Maybe tell a story, maybe have multiple punchlines or punch words. So these are the different types. And the strategies to deal with each of these different types, they do differ. Like, for example, the persuasive speech, if the intent is to convince, then we may sequence the content in a different way. We may have a different way to conclude our presentation, perhaps with a call to action, and with a slightly different formula as compared to perhaps a pure informative speech. Can these different types do like a crossover? Can they be like a hybrid? Well, possible. Can there be a combination? Absolutely. So nowadays speeches, they're not just pure informative. You can see speeches that are both persuasive and informative in nature.